Hello and welcome back to tazwells12. You're on my YouTube channel, which is tazwells12, and I am the host who is Tara Wells. Today's video is going to be a makeup review tutorial testing video. Another one is coming to you, that a good little brand that we are going to show you that I got at a bargain price. But before we get into that sort of video, then I just want to say the nitty-gritty stuff, which is if you like the video or you like the product or you like the advice I give you, then please give it a massive thumbs up, because then I know you guys like the videos and then I like the content and I can bring lots more to you. So give it a massive thumbs up. If you are new and this is your first video you are watching from me, then hello and welcome. You can come and subscribe to tazwells12 by hitting the subscribe button and joining the little love family. You can check out my other social medias, which is on the main clickable button on my main page, which is for Instagram and Twitter. You can like, follow, comment, whatever you would like to do on there. Please check that out. The video is not sponsored. I have brought this all out of my own money, and the video is not sponsored by any of the brands that I do mention. It's an advice video for you guys and it is not sponsored. Please comment down below. I will 100% comment back to you every single time, and we can have a little bit of conversation. Anything about the product, anything about the video, please comment down below. There's everything in this video. So now we will get on into the actual product makeup review testing tutorial video. This is the product. So the product is the Vivid Hot Lacquer from Maybelline, New York. It's got Colour Sensational, and this is in 62 Charmer. I actually got this out of Poundland for only £1, which is absolutely crazy, because what the hell, like, that is a proper Maybelline product and that is crazy. Today we're going to review this. I just want to show you that the product has not been touched by myself or by anyone. It is all sealed. We will take the seal off and then we will clip my hair up and get into the video. The seal is off, so it has been broken. So I'm just going to clip my hair up. And now we're going to open the product for the first time. Whoa. So we're just going to go up and down just to make sure that it's all mixed in, because we haven't, like I said, this is the first time we are going to be using it. Before I put this on my lips, I just want to clean my lips. So I'm actually going to use the LACQUER makeup wipes that come from Aldi. These are great. Just want to make sure we got clean. So we got a clean base. Just let that dry for 2 minutes. We'll just open this and then I'll pop the lid out. So this is the actual applicator, which is this beautiful little oval shape. There's loads of product on there. What I'm going to do is just rub this on the side, just so we have a minimal product. I have got my mirror here, so I'm going to bring it as close as I can, because I want to show you guys the full results of this. I'm gonna physically try put it on the bottom lip first and then I'll put it on the top. But this, I haven't lined my lips. I want to give this a full review of just literally the lipstick, so we're gonna go with just this on my lips. Oh, it's like a pretty pink. It's lovely. It's really creamy, and because it's got that little end, it's so easy. Actual apply, rubbed it in, but we've still got loads of product on, so we're going to just fill in the top now. I really love this applicator because it's just, you can just see how easy it is. I can just fill in. I need a little bit more. But it's so like easy to put on. Wow, that's a really lovely colour actually. So I can feel like the drying, so that's absolutely fine, but it's still got that stick, and it looks like a gloss. Can you see? Look, it looks like a gloss. That's really enhanced my lips because I've literally just followed with a line. That's given me a proper good pout. But that's a lovely, lovely colour. For 2 to 3 minutes, and I'm just going to put my hair down because I've only popped it up for the fact that I was just putting it on. But yeah, we'll be back in 2 seconds. We're back now. I've just put my hair down. I am really liking that. I think that looks really, really nice. Very, very pinky nude, as you can see. But it's not standing out like loads. It is very, very pink though. It's a bit more pinky than I probably like, but I still think that look nice. If you've done all your hair really nice, your makeup really nice, and just done like a really like simple brown eye with maybe the tiniest little bit of shimmer, but a simple eye, and then your lips like this, I think it still look really, really lovely. Just come really, really close. So you can see where it's proper enhanced my lips. And all I've done is follow the line of my lips with the end of that, and that's really, really good. But yeah, it's just a natural colour, isn't it? It's a natural summer colour. It's a really, really beautiful like pink. It is actually really, really pretty. And to be fair, that is really, really nice. I probably would end up wearing that. And you could even put a lip line on with that and enhance your lips even more. But with it on its own, I think it's really, really pretty. I think it's really, really nice. I like it. I like it. I don't like it as much as a good nude, but it's not something I hate. It's something I've got to get used to. Pink is something I've got to get used to, but it's like a nudie pink. So it's in the basics of in the middle. So I actually am going to give this product a thumbs up. For the fact it was only £1, the fact it is Maybelline, the fact it is a good brand product, and I got it for as cheap as that, and it looks quite nice. I'm absolutely giving it a thumbs up. I'm 100% happy with that. Unfortunately, we have come to the end of the Poundland Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquer lipstick in 62 Charmer. Let me know what you think. Comment down below, let me know what you think. You may love this colour, this may be right up your street. You may be running to Poundland and trying to find some good lipsticks because they do some good ones. I've got loads more to come. Just beware, there's absolutely loads more to come. But if you like the product, or you like the advice I give you, or you like the tutorial or how we did this, then definitely give it a massive thumbs up because it always helps the video out and I know what content you want to see. So give it a massive thumbs up. Like I said, if you are new, then come and subscribe to tazwells12. You are more welcome than to join. You can check out my other content. But yeah, please subscribe and come and join the Little Love family. You can comment down below, like I've already mentioned, that'd be absolutely great. The video is not sponsored by any of the brands I did mention out of Poundland or Maybelline. It is none of them. I have bought this all out of my own money and it's a advice video for you guys. Check out my other social medias. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting. Have a lovely day or a lovely evening, and this might inspire you to go and have a look at some of the makeup that you've got and put it on your face and make yourself feel a little bit better. Thank you for always, and I will see you soon, guys. Bye.